Hi, my name is Therese.
My name is Kylon.
My name's Matthew Bell.
My name is Amelia Fong.
My name is Chris.
One of the main challenges with younger students beginning piano or starting piano is the idea of daily practice. And that's kind of the core inspiring idea of Oclef.
With the traditional 1 hour a week, it makes it less enjoyable. And then there's the additional issue of once you leave the piano lesson, it's now I have to find the self-motivation to practice. I have to figure out, and if I get stuck, it's who can help me?
Instead of the student seeing an instructor one time a week for a long period of time, we found that a beginning student seeing an instructor every day for a nice concentrated 15 minutes gets them to really focus on piano in short bursts, but every single day. So we're actually building good practice habits, and we found that it's often a much more engaging and positive experience for younger students.
15 minutes is actually the perfect timing because it allows the student to retain so much more information and allows them to practice with the guidance of the teacher, as well as stay engaged and focused within that 15 minutes. And then having that plus that every single day, it helps them achieve their goals, and it's awesome.
15 minutes is perfect because it gives them a motivation to set just a small goal every single day. And that teaches them not only a skill, but discipline, which is something that you want to start learning when you're young. But it's hard to teach a 5-year-old discipline because 5-year-olds or 6-year-olds or 7-year-olds they're kind of all over the place. So I think just having them go 15 minutes and telling them, oh, your lesson is 15 minutes every day, that kind of teaches them discipline without telling them that it's discipline.
It's much more specific to the students in the 15-minute lessons, and we can kind of see as teachers exactly what they're learning each day.
By taking, rather than trying to push a student forward, make them make massive leaps every single week, and then hoping that I don't know, maybe 50% of that is retained over the week type of thing. Having piano lessons every single day that are really short really takes advantage of the student's attention span, especially when they're young. It keeps them engaged. It makes it feel like it's not too much of a heavy burden. Oh, I have to go to my 1 hour lesson.
If a student has a not so great day or is confused, there's no worries because there's always tomorrow and the day after that, and the day after that. So eventually they will get the concept.
That's very effective just because you also get to check in with them every day and see their growth. 15 minutes every day, it's not that long and it's not too short, but it's enough to get one major goal in for the day, one major concept.
We can see each specific improvement each day, and it's not a matter of just leaving the student for a week and trying to figure out, okay, where are they at from where they were last week. It's okay, I know exactly what we did yesterday. I know exactly how you're going to practice. I know exactly what we're going to learn today, so then we can facilitate even more growth the next day.
I've seen a lot of results with it. I was a little hesitant about it first, but I've seen a lot of success, and my students are growing and learning very fast with it.